How to watch Premier League live on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can watch Premier League live on mobile. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to watch Premier League live on mobile, you need to open up a browser and search for Sky Sports. After searching for it, you can see this very first link, skysports.com. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be taken to a next page. So here you just tap on the menu bar and tap on sports, and here you're going to select football. After selecting football, you may just scroll down a bit until you're able to see Sky Sport, or you may just go on this menu bar again, and this time tap on this Get Sky Sports. After that, you may just get it, and you should be able to upgrade or stream your Premier League live. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.